ready to transform your ideas into captivating presentations that leave a lasting impression. First, open PowerPoint in Microsoft 365, then start by picking a professionally designed theme from the Design tab to give your presentation a cohesive and visually appealing look. Next, map out your content by inserting new slides and strategically adding text, images, charts, or even videos to illustrate your points clearly. Use the Insert tab to add elements like icons, shapes, or even a new slide. To elevate engagement, explore animations and transitions, found in the Animations and Transitions tabs, adding subtle movement that guides your audience through each slide without distracting from your message. Before the big show, rehearse using Presenter View, accessible from the Slideshow tab. This view will help you monitor your notes and timing to deliver a smooth and confident presentation, like a pro. With these tips, you're well equipped to create PowerPoint presentations that captivate, inform, and leave a lasting impact.